Hello friends. Do you know after the Internet of Things, advanced robotics, cloud computing, cyber security, mobile technology, 3D printing technology is the greatest next gen thing in the fourth industrial revolution? Do you think 3D printing technology is like printing photos, newspaper or making 3D models on any software? Do you know why understanding 3D printing technology is essential for today's secondary kids? Do you know 3D printing technology has vast areas of application in almost every industry? If you want to know more about 3D printing technology and its application in various fields, then this video is for you. I am Ravindra, a 3D guide to share my knowledge and experience about 3D printing technology for career-seeking students to explore the opportunities in any field they choose in their life. For that, I am coming with a series, Ideas to Shape, and explain in detail about 3D printing technology, its process and its application in various fields one by one. If you are a student from 8th standard to graduation or a parent of those kids, follow my Facebook group Mission 3D for Generation Next to watch this series which will be followed soon. To have a glimpse of 3D printing process, watch this video. Forward this video to those you think will be benefited. Thank you for watching till the end.